In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove comments in Notion. If you've ever collaborated on a Notion page, you know how quickly comments can pile up. They're great for discussions and feedback, but once something is resolved, you might want to clean things up so your workspace feels more organized. That's exactly what we're going to walk through together. First, open the Notion page where the comment you want to remove is located. Comments in Notion usually appear as small speech bubbles in the margin or as highlighted text within your page. Take a moment to scroll through and visually scan for those bubbles or highlights. If you're working in a dense document, it can help to zoom in slightly so you can clearly see where comments are attached. Once you've found the comment, click on the comment bubble or the highlighted section of text to open the comment thread. This will bring up a small comment box, usually showing the original comment and any replies underneath. Make sure you've opened the exact comment you want to remove, especially if there are multiple comments close together in the same paragraph. Now move your mouse over that comment box. As you hover over it, you'll see a small menu icon appear, typically represented by 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the comment box. This 3-dot icon is where Notion keeps additional options and actions related to that specific comment. Go ahead and click on the 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options, one of which will be Delete. Take a second to double-check that you're working on the correct comment, because deleting it will remove that thread from the page for everyone who has access to it. When you're sure, click Delete. Notion may ask you to confirm this action, depending on your version or settings. If it does, simply confirm that you want to delete the comment. Once confirmed, the comment bubble or highlight will disappear from the page, and the thread will be permanently removed. If you're cleaning up a page, repeat this same process for any other comments you no longer need. Open the comment, hover to reveal the 3 dots, click them, and choose Delete. That's all there is to it. By removing old or resolved comments, you keep your Notion pages clear, focused, and easier to read for everyone on your team.